Don't mind whatever that is happening here, and it's gone, and it's gone forever. Nothing of such will happen again. And so, what we are doing today is even a sign that we are together and that nothing is going to happen again. So we are all together. We are siblings. If I'm in Erin, I'm in my house. If I'm in Ifon, I'm at home. And so, nothing is for those people who don't know who we are. Those are the people who think we are just fighting for no cause. But you know, in life, even if you are born from the same womb, sometimes, someday, you have to fight on certain things. Like I said, my grandmother is from Erin. I schooled in Erin. I schooled in Ifon. I'm from Ilobu. August 15, because he deserved that second term. Because of the reasons that I've laid. There are so many reasons why we must come out to vote for Adeleke on August 15. And as an indigenous of Osun State, as somebody who is passionate about development of Osun State, because I'm one of the very few people in Osun that wants to, at all costs, make sure that the state develops.
The rallies were organized, peacefully conducted, and you can see the enthusiasm in our people. And we have teaming supporters at home that are not eligible to participate in this type of activities. The youth and the women folks, so we are quite comfortable that we are winning.
This rally basically implies that Governor Adeleke and the current administration is working massively, because we can see that the love from the people is very much, like a lot of people have turned out en masse, both from Ilobu, both from Eroshu, because of the work that he is doing to make sure that the lives of the people here are better. And that has also reflected in the unity of the people here. We see people from Ilobu, from Erin, from everybody came out en masse to show their love for the governor, that he is coming back on August 15th.
So we know that from time past, Ilobu and Eroshu, they are not in good terms. So if Governor Adeleke can settle the rancor between Eroshu and Ilobu, we know for sure that he's doing well. And this is the time that we need his support, because unity is very important for the success of a state. And we as one, we are here for Governor Adeleke.